How to use Clio Legal Case Tracker properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most law firms assume that simply logging into Clio is enough to track cases effectively, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that cost time, accuracy, and even billable hours. The first mistake is not setting up proper case folders. Clio allows you to organize files, documents, and communications for each client, but beginners who leave everything in a general inbox risk losing track of important evidence or deadlines. Create dedicated folders and subfolders for each case to stay organized. Another common error is neglecting task and deadline tracking. Clio's Task Manager and Calendar are powerful tools, but beginners who ignore them may miss court dates, filing deadlines, or client follow-ups. Always assign tasks, set reminders, and update progress consistently. Many users fail to lock time properly. Clio tracks billable hours, but beginners who skip entries or enter them inaccurately can lose revenue and create billing confusion. Log time daily and categorize it correctly to ensure accurate invoicing. Ignoring client communication is another pitfall. Clio provides secure messaging, but beginners who don't use it consistently risk miscommunication or lost emails. Centralize all client communication within Clio to maintain a clear record. Finally, some assume Clio automates strategy. While Clio helps manage cases, it does not replace professional judgment. Beginners who rely solely on the platform without reviewing details or consulting colleagues may miss critical nuances. To use Clio properly, set up structured case folders, track tasks and deadlines diligently, lock time accurately, centralize client communication, and actively review case details. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll maximize efficiency, improve accuracy, and ensure your legal practice runs smoothly.